Can you be your own bank with Coinbase Wallet? Ever dreamed of ditching the traditional bank and taking control of your finances? Cryptocurrency might have crossed your mind, but navigating this new world can be confusing. Especially when it comes to wallets. Can you actually receive money with them? Let's take Coinbase Wallet, a popular option, for a spin. Can it replace your bank account for receiving funds? Buckle up, crypto newbies and veterans alike, because we're about to dive deep. The allure of crypto wallets, freedom beckons. Imagine a world where you control your money entirely. No more waiting for bank transfers, no more hidden fees, just the freedom to send and receive funds instantly, anywhere in the world. That's the promise of cryptocurrency wallets like Coinbase Wallet. But hold on a second. Cryptocurrencies are still a relatively new invention, and regulations are constantly evolving. So, can a crypto wallet truly replace a traditional bank account for receiving money? Coinbase Wallet, your secure crypto hub. Coinbase Wallet is a self-custody wallet, meaning you hold the private keys to your funds. This gives you ultimate control, but also comes with great responsibility. Unlike a traditional bank account, Coinbase Wallet isn't FDIC insured, so your funds aren't protected against institutional failure. Now, back to receiving money. Coinbase Wallet allows you to receive various cryptocurrencies. Each crypto has its own unique address, similar to a bank account number. So, anyone holding that specific cryptocurrency can send it directly to your wallet. Sounds simple, right? Here's the catch: crypto's volatile nature. Here's where things get interesting. While receiving crypto is a breeze, the value of those coins can fluctuate wildly. Imagine receiving $100 worth of Bitcoin today. Tomorrow, that same Bitcoin could be worth $80 or $120. This volatility makes receiving crypto for everyday transactions a bit impractical. So, can you ditch the bank completely? Not quite. While Coinbase Wallet is fantastic for holding and receiving crypto, it might not be the complete solution for receiving all your income. Here's why. Limited acceptance. Most businesses still don't accept crypto as a form of payment. So, for everyday needs like rent or groceries, you'll still need a traditional bank account. Tax implications. Crypto transactions are taxable events. Keeping track of your crypto income and reporting it to the tax authorities can be a complex task. Volatility woes. As mentioned earlier, the volatile nature of cryptocurrencies makes them a risky choice for receiving your regular paycheck. The verdict: a powerful tool, but not a full replacement. Coinbase Wallet empowers you to take control of your crypto assets and receive them securely. However, it's not quite ready to replace your traditional bank account for all your receiving needs. Think of it this way: Coinbase Wallet is your personal crypto vault, perfect for storing and managing your digital assets. But for daily transactions and receiving your salary, a traditional bank account remains the more practical option, for now. The future of crypto wallets, a glimpse of what's to come. The world of crypto is constantly evolving. As acceptance grows and regulations become clearer, we might see crypto wallets playing a more significant role in our financial lives. Perhaps one day, receiving your paycheck in crypto will be as commonplace as receiving it through direct deposit. But for now, Coinbase Wallet stands as a powerful tool in your crypto arsenal. It allows you to participate in the exciting world of digital currencies and receive them securely. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.